In the nest behind me is a female catbird. They get their names pretty easily. They're gray all over except for a black crown, darker gray tail feathers, and a rusty red patch under the tail feathers. And then, if they're disturbed by the presence of a predator or a person, they will often give their catbird meow call. The catbird's syrinx, or voice box, has two parts, one to each lung, that allows them to sing with two voices at the same time. They're in the family of birds known as mimics, like the mockingbird. They'll often sing at dawn and many other times during the day with a wide variety of songs. Even though they're quite vocal, they're often very secretive and will move about and sing from the dense shrubbery they prefer. In areas where they overlap in the singing seasons, catbirds can be told from mockingbirds and thrashers because they only repeat each phrase in their songs once. Thrashers usually repeat each phrase twice, and mockingbirds 3 to 4 times. They're about the size of an American robin, about 8 inches long, but they're a little more slender. They eat a wide variety of berries and insects. They can be attracted to suet feeders. They'll feed on the ground by flipping over leaves and debris, looking for insects. During spring and summer, they mostly eat insects, and in the winter, they mostly eat berries. There'll be between 3 and 5 eggs in a nest that are usually plain bluish green to almost a robin egg's blue, but sometimes the eggs have brown spots. The females incubate the eggs for about 2 weeks. Then both parents feed the young for about another 10 days in the nest and a few days out of the nest. There are often 2 broods in a year. After the young leave the nest, most of the singing will stop and the family remains hidden. The nests are a loose mess of twigs, grass, leaves, and trash like ribbons and string. The nest is lined with fine, thin grasses or rootlets. They're often found in the eastern 2/3 of the country during the spring and summer. They spend the winter within a few hundred miles of the Atlantic and Gulf coasts, all from around New Jersey to Mexico. They live in the Caribbean year-round. If you want to attract them to your landscape, you need to add a variety of dense shrubs that are not pruned too heavily, especially in the spring when they're nesting. Shrubs that have berries are best. Leave the tree leaves in the landscape beds and add water so they can take baths. Besides coming to a suet feeder, they will also eat grape jelly set out to attract orioles. The only problem with having catbirds in your landscape is that they can be very loud in the morning and they can sing continuously for 10 minutes at a time. One last fun fact is that a group of catbirds is called a mewing. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.